a few minutes from now.
And we also request all the students to please gather in the section. Say, wait a minute, my friends, Thomas. We, Thomas and Lorenzo. We, Lorenzo and Gabriel. We, and then Francis. And Great John and Rafael. Where is the grade 7 Micah? Please raise your hands. Thomas. Lorenzo, where are the students from Lorenzo? Camillus. Gabriel. Oriel. Therese. Anne. Francis. Rafael. Okay, I think we are all clear now. Again, a few minutes from now, we'll start our program.
Live. So they're busy preparing. Hi Marshall, naka-live na karon. Naka-live na karon. So this is live coverage, live streaming. Naka-live na karon. Naka-live. Naka-live na. Naka-live, naka-live. Hi to Ma'am Juliet Buaya. Thank you for watching, Ma'am.
Okay, naatay tulong mga kandidates sa gihuwat. Please na full message. Grade 11 St. Anne, ang grade 10 St. Therese and Orien. Asa na ang tulong mga candidates? Padumpa sa Therese. Saan? Ang bagay nasa na to is okay na hindi pa kasi na OPW. Okay. Please send a message to the classmate, to the candidate.
Yes, Ma'am Neng. Enjoy watching, Ma'am Neng. Comment si Ma'am Neng, ano na po siya mo tanaw sa live. Shout out guys sa mga sound operators niya.
Magpata.
Pagkagwapa. Once again, we have requested everyone to please settle down and we will begin our program a few minutes from now.
And now we request everyone to please stand for the invocatory and remain standing for the singing of hymns to be led by Miss Mary Ann Bata. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me, walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. All my days, all my life, you are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time I know I needed you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, even though at times I gotta go my way. Let me take the right direction, take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life, you are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time I know I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time I know I need you there. I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all my life. All through my days, so lead me,
ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please be seated. creativity, the power of expressions, with a collaboration of our High School Days 2025 with the theme, We Create, We Celebrate, We Shine. How about we begin our morning with a big round of applause? Okay, I like that energy. But before we proceed, I want to hear your cheers and yes from different grades and section. How about we begin from grade 7, St. Thomas? Wow! How about the grade 8, St. Loretto? Okay. Ano na ba sa akin na? How about the grade 8, St. Camille? Grade 8 Camille, sa ba na wala yung mga tao? Grade 7, St. Michael. How about the grade 8, St. Louise? Mga laki ang may energy nila, dili ang mga bae, ganahan ko. How about the grade 11, St. Francis? Patay, wala yung energy sila, kaya mabuglawan, kaya wala akong kabuglawan, no? How about the grade 9, St. Oriel? Grabe ang kusog ang huho nila. How about the grade 9, St. Gabriel? Kita sila cheer, yes, ganahan ko. How about the grade 12, St. John? Patay, wait, mga energy ito mga si John Tim na moms. Nga naman eh. And also the grade 11, St. Anne? Ha? May ano sa mga itong tawa? Okay, how about the last section of the class grade? Grade 12, St. Raphael! Wow, hello. Tayo, next time kayo mga senior high school students. I like its energy despite sa di masabtan na panahon o one init, mawala mo lang siya mixed signal atong wow, mixed signal, no? So, like I said, yan po sa energy and excitement sa mga sa mga students karon. And we are gathered here to showcase talent, creativity, and camaraderie. So let's make this day memorable and enjoyable for everyone. Before that proceeds sa atong main event this morning, kamutan magpamasod, no? Anong wala ka na signal? Okay, musaka ko by bench, then na ako yung question. Sa iyo naman yung question, wala research ka ChatGPT. Charet. Okay, I have questions from here first. Nalisa ka sa wala. Okay, yes. Thank you, Mr. Pupor. Hello. Okay. Sa katani, sa mga, hello. Uy, hi, pagpuna ko. Uy. Hi, okay, kanya gusto pa magtanong. Yes, Mr. Jerry. Please stand, Mr. Jerry. Wala na, papa. Okay. Kuya Jerry, nakipagkatanan niyo mo. Ikaw ito pa sa una po? Hala, sikat chukay ka. Sige, Kuya Jerry, I have a question for you. Sige, ang question ako is, para ni mo, kinsay madaog sa Miss LHS FW? Hinagi sa kuya, kinsa?
I think it's a hard question because sila tanan naman ko silang gown. And I believe sila tanan daw.
Oh, I like that. Ato ang taga sa Jericho. A round of applause. Gabi ko silang answer kay. I believe ka ang madaog kay. It's a very hard question. Grabe kayo ang mga answer. Thank you, Kuya Jerry. Ano po ta sa grade 12? Ano na sa grade 12 na ano na isa na sila? Okay, I have a question. Could you help me? Yes! Okay, help me. Could you help me? Naka-question. Sa'yo na kayo question. Dali, question. Wala ako, sino? Ay, ito na lang, Mr. Robles. Ano pang tanan? Kuya Robles. Robles. Gusto mo yung mag-expect sa atong IHS days? No? First thing I'm gonna say is someone to expect. Bugnaw? Lamig na yun. Bugnaw ang ato ay just days, no? Sugpat yung bugnaw ng panahon. Giwan, mawala, murag lang panahon, murag na doon mamig-signal. Yes, thank you very much. Ano na kita sa Pika side? Sakta ka-prepare ang atong mga lovely candidates. At sa pagtanda ni atong mga very precious Ginoo at pinipili sa ibang batang high school. Okay. Sige. May I have Mr. Maglinte. Everyone is malipay lang, mag-enjoy, and yes, that's what we are looking forward. Okay, ato pa di ay siguro. Napay na rin yung hands up sa you. Atong doon, uy. Nooy po kayo, uy. Sige. Yes, next time na, just bring you up. Ay, ano ka doon ang cellphone? Ay, God. Alexa, anak ni Alex. 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 Hello, Alex. Hi. Alex, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ay, ano yung sabitas? Sige. Nana ba ito na Alex? Nana? Okay, Queen? Liza. Ay, anak ni Liza. Dali ka magpapatanan ninyo, Mr. Reyes. Sige na. Basta may inulatag sa high school days. Dali. Kailangan ko sa high school days. Gusto ko ino. Thank you very much. Well, na mga family and friends sa atong mga students ko. So, this coming Saturday winner or Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Kaway naman siya na... Yes, okay. Kaway-kaway naman sa ating mga nagagandahan mga teachers. Yes, kaway-kaway mga teachers. Asan mga teachers diri? Mga busy kayo sa ilang mga students. No? Wow. And I think we are all set or no pa? We are not set pa? Yes, ay mag-interview sa teacher. Teacher na punta kayo ba naman to sa student? Teacher. Ayaw po sila. Teacher.
Kita na ba si Mambuhaya?
Alam kita na si Mambuhaya na. Rar. Mambuhaya rar. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am Ostan. Sige, I have a question for you. Kinsay mo mamang papa?
Anak ni Lucy.
Anak ni Lucy. Kakil sa name, Lucy. Ang papa?
Leo.
Lucy and Leo. Mauding nalaylani. Leo and Lucy. Okay, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Kaya para ni mo, ma'am, kay muna, wala dyan kita naghahago ang grade 12. But I think my guess is, yeah. So, para ni mo, may kisa may magkaog ka ron.
Everybody is starting to win. It's just a matter of a little bit.
Oh my God!
Differences.
Okay, mas si ma'am na everybody is going to win, no? Pero naaral sa nga mulabaw daw. Kinsa nga daw na big. Wow! Thank you very much, Montellani, sa iyong very wonderful answer. Yes! Hello sa atong live streamers, no? Sa mga nagtanaw sa atong live. And I think we're all set, or dili pa, ma'am? Dili pa ta set? Okay na ta?
Josh, hanggang na magbasa na lang criteria.
Manduran.
Para dili na lang.
Imuha ang yung audio, ma'am. Music, imuha.
Okay, to officially welcome us all, let's give a warm round of applause for our principal, Lisa Arpaman. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone! Good morning! My dear students, teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again. Today marks the beginning of our exciting journey as we open our high school day celebration. An opportunity and a moment to create memories that we will remember and reminisce in the near future. This year's celebration is extra special because we are not only showcasing our talents and teamwork, which was very obvious when you did all your props, but we also have to celebrate this today as we also make a difference through our Eco Bloom recycling competition. This world, our world today, faces a lot of challenges, environmental crisis, and plastic waste is one of the biggest threats to our Mother Earth. That is why here in our school, we believe that small actions can lead to big changes. Through this competition, we are turning waste into something beautiful and useful, giving plastic bottles a second life. This Eco Bloom is just one of the highlights of our IHS Foundation. We also commemorate tomorrow our founder, Reverend Father Bernardino Puertes, and the late couple Alejandro and Trinitiba Ramo for their foundation that they laid, sharing excellence and sustainability. On tomorrow evening, we also have our coronation night of our IHS King and Queen 2025. And we are also inviting you all to witness that said coronation pageant. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I know you are very excited for this competition. We also acknowledge the presence of the supportive parents around. We now officially open our IHS High School days. Enjoy the rest of the day and good luck to all our contenders. Let's give again ourselves a round of applause. Welcome and good morning again.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Hannah, for your wonderful words that can inspire our beautiful students. And now let's proceed to our competition proper. Welcome to Miss IHS Echo Bloom 2025. To start off, I will read first the mechanics and the criteria of judging. Visual impact and creativity 30%, design concept 30%, durability and usability 25%, stage presence 15%, total of 100%. And now we request all the candidates to please proceed here at the left side board. Again, we request all the participants and candidates to please proceed here at the left side door. Thank you. Again, we request all the candidates to please proceed here at the left side door. So let's start our competition. Wow, our 11 lovely candidates. Nag-bloom din sila tayo. Nag-loto din sila mga buwak-buwak. Blooming na blooming talaga. And I think we are all set now. Wow, very beautiful and gorgeous candidates for our Miss IHS Echo Bloom. And now, before we proceed to our most anticipated event this morning, it is not possible to feed a town big panel of judges. To introduce you, again, to introduce me, their first judge. She is mother of 6 precious girls, a teacher by profession, graduated Bachelor of Education, major in English, finished their postgraduate studies with a degree of Master in Management, major in Educational Management. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge is none other than our school principal, Mrs. Lisa Arpangan. Let's give her a round of applause.
Welcome, Arpangan. And our second judge, she is a fashion and interior designer, one of the members of Bohol Designer Circle, owner of Bebe Tegoktok Couture, one of the best makeup artists and hairstylists in Bohol. Let's give a round of applause to our second judge, Mr. Bebe Tegoktok. Welcome, sir. And the chairman of the Board of Judges, not only is he strong people, he's a professional medical representative. He is currently the board director of the Association of Medical Representatives in Bohol, Anwar, owner of the Boy Editor and the Boy Casanova Pilipinas, showcasing local alcohol products, leading cultures and lifestyles. One of the designer competitors and pride magazine together with the world top designer of the Philippines. A graduate Bachelor of Science in Accounting and one of the active member of all designer circles. A proud LGBT plus member, a fashion designer, and a leading Air Force officer, class of 2023. Once again, our chairman of the Board of Judges, Sergeant Lagoy Orly Aquino. Let's give him a round of applause. And now I think we are all set. We have the three judges. And now,
Also watching our live is all the way from Gindulman, Bohol, Mr. Richard Pellegrino, as well as the supervisor of Dane Publishing, Mr. Joseph Habines Ihor. ladies and gentlemen, it is our most anticipated event, Beast IHS Echo Bloom 2025. Giselle Perez, our first candidate.
cheer lang ta after na sa iyang istorya o sa istorya sa background sa costume. And now, candidate number 2!
Crafted from recycled plastic bottles and stocks. Your dress is a striking example of how waste can be transformed into something both fashionable and environmentally responsible. The dress features delicate floral patterns and symbolizes the beauty of nature, and the vibrant color reflect the life and beauty of nature. Vitality of blooming flowers. As she walks, your dress not only catches the light, but also sparks conversations about the importance of reviving and recycling, making her a walking symbol of eco-conscious fashion, and a reminder that we can all contribute to the planet's well-being, one bottle, one dress, one step at a time.
Once again, candidate number 2!
Trisha, imagine wearing a dress from plastic bottle and cup scraps, a symbol of conservation, perseverance, and beauty. This dress tells a story of the ability to turn what we commonly into something extraordinary. It's not just an outfit, it's a bold statement, a vision that embraces creativity and innovation, proving that even in the most unlikely material, there is the potential for beauty, purpose, and change.
Once again, candidate number 3. And now, may I present to you, candidate number 4.
To show unity. Every colors are good as one dress. As you can notice, there are red and blue colors which also represent my love for our country. This gown was made with lots of hard work, teamwork, and effort.
Once again, candidate number 4. Candidate number 5.
Once again, candidate number 5. And now we present to you candidate number 6.
A pleasant morning, everyone. This is Teresa Malama, 16, proudly representing the grade 11 St. Francis.
This creation is from psychoplastic bottles, brings to life the lady in pink, gentle yet powerful connection between the elegance and nature. The soft pink hues symbolizes her as a lady, pure, sweet, and calm. Her flowing silhouette mirrors the gentle curves of petals in full bloom, capturing elegance found in nature's most delicate forms. It's a reminder that true elegance lies not just in appearance, but in the power of expression and care for the world around us.
Si sale de noche me asusta, si no se la boca, así, así que me gusta, así, aquí, así esto es para ti, nadie sabe que así somos las reproducciones, muévete más, que siga, que está conmigo nomás, no pierdas el enfoque, papi quiere la clase, no que no la toque, no lo encontré en base, nunca había sentido, y me vuelve loca tu lado,
Once again, candidate number 6. And now we present to you candidate number 7.
great to sing A pleasant morning to each and every one of you. I am Nikki Marie Bacamasa Ligones, 17, proudly representing the home of the champs, Rachel St. Raphael. This unique design proves that fashion can be both stylish and eco-friendly. She's wearing a beautiful design that made from recycled plastic bottles in blue and gold. She wanted the blue to represent the calmness of the sea, while the gold represents the richness of the shores. Together, they share a story of sustainability and beauty by turning waste into wearable art. We're showing that small changes can make a big impact on our planet.
Once again, candidate number 7. And now representing
it all. It needs time, effort, unity, and creativity. The color symbolizes love, nurture, and compassion.
Once again, candidate number 8.
Si sale de noche me asusta, si no pago no se la gusta, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, casi es a ti, dale atrás, que así somos las letras, no sabes.
And now, representing candidate number 9.
King Simon saying mama. This gown is inspired by the beauty of the seas and province. These dress showcases how trash materials can be made into something beautiful in order to prevent plastic waste, pollution, and to help lessen and recycle plastic materials.
Once again, candidate number 9. And now, representing candidate number 10.
King saying Pamilos.
Good morning, mga legends. This is Angel from Maria Piaminas 13. Now, the proud to represent Cricket Domino.
Model is wearing a Sari Manok and modern Filipiniana theme costume made from plastic bottles, which is beautiful homemade to Filipino culture. The Sari Manok brings the magic and spiritual richness of Filipino mythology, while the Filipiniana represents the elegance and traditions and the history of the Philippines. Gold represents power, red represents strength and courage, and orange represents optimism, and together these colors create a powerful visual impact reflecting the cultural significance of Sari Manok as its symbol of hope, strength, and resilience. Combining these two elements create a culturally rich costume that reflects the diversity and the Filipino identity with modern message of environmental sustainability and importance of creativity and recycling. Once again,
Candidate number 10. And now, the last but not the least, candidate number 11.
Samantha B. Israel, 30 years old, proud representative, grade 7, St. Michael.
Her dress is made from different kinds of recycled plastic bottles, well painted, and also has a tone of gold on its flowers. It is cut into various kinds of plastic flowers and is colored with red, black, and gold. Its petticoat is made out of recycled plastic bottles as well.
Once again, candidate number 11. ladies, please give your best pose and move forward. And I see we're all set now. We request all the candidates to please move backward for the photo opportunity. Move backward. For the picture. Yeah. Please move backward. Okay, ano na? Sige na. Okay. We request all the judges to please be seated in the front for the photo op. Of the last. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Keep your best pose. Okay. And also may request all the teachers to please insert. Teachers. Again, all teachers. Pwede na sa front for teachers. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, ladies, for your beautiful and gorgeous. Now you may take your exit. 1, 2, 3, get march by. Lali? Okay. And now, pinahuman naman ang ating competition. You can go now to your area. And ayos ang pag-inis. And now, let's proceed to a very special intermission number from the grade 12 St. John, Mr. Josh Bacamante. Let's give him a round of applause.
Balik, balik.
Hello. Kaisa naman dyan ako kumanta guys. Pero sa mga na ako nalimtan isa sa kumanta na nagbalik. Hello. So this song is special to me para niya may siya na nilibilin. So ano na nila?
Dunga mo na yan. Dunga mo na yan.
number. Ladies, magpabilin mo na. Sige, pabilin lang mo. Kasi gamon na po yung maharanan ninyo. Okay. And now let's receive another special exhibition number from the grade 11 St. Anne, Miss Rihanna Cameron. Let's give her a round of applause.
Hello.
Okay, please.
Really had me going. What's the point? Very insane.
conversation is presented to you. Please, Lisa Arpan, LPPM, as one of the judges of Miss IHS during the Urban and English Band competition at the Mathematics School, Baclayan Hall. Given this 26th day of February in the year of our Lord 2021. Signed, LPT, Happy Coordinator, Junior AY LPT, Finance Officer, Lisa Arpan and LPT, MMEM, School Principal, Reverend Father Jose Saliato A. Rieras, School Director. My request, Ma'am Pangan, so please proceed here to the center. Thank you very much, Ma'am Pangan. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to you. Sir Vivek Tagaptok is one of the judges of Miss IHS EcoBloom 2025 contest. Same citation, signed Mitzi Marie Duran, LPT Mapping Coordinator, Juliet A. Buaya, LPT Finance Officer, Lisa Arpan, LPT School Principal, and Reverend Father Jose Saliato Arias, School Director. Same certificate is given to Mr. Sergeant Ladoy Orly Aquino.
Shoutout din sa mga documentary staff of Arte Club.
Calling the attention of all the candidates, 11 lovely candidates, so please proceed in the front for the awarding ceremony. Again, calling the attention of all the 11 lovely candidates, so please proceed here to the center for the awarding ceremony. And given a certificate of participation. Okay, we have 3 candidates here. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candidates we are waiting for. Certificate of participation is presented to you as one of the candidates of Miss IHS EcoBloom 2025 contest during the Arctic and English Math culmination at the Mathematical High School, Baclayan Hall, given this day of February in the year of our Lord 2025. Signed, Mitzi Marie Duran, LPT Mapping Coordinator, Juliet A. Buaya, LPT Finance Officer, Lisa Arpan, LPT MMEM, School Principal, Reverend Father Jose Saliato A. Rieras, School Director. Given certificate of participation is given to Miss Denise Ann Pulabong from grade 11, St. Francis.
Sablobo from grade 3, Miss Sham Mahawan from grade 8 St. Lorenzo, Miss Cyril Martaha from grade 8 St. Gabriel, Miss Delumen from grade 7 St. Thomas, Miss Angel Happiness from grade 8 St. Camillus, and Miss Samantha Israel from grade 7 St. Michael. And also given a certificate to Miss Sandalin Kahino from grade 9 St. Olivier. And now let's proceed to explanation from our judges. So we need to send first our judges for the explanation.
Amajong punta kanatong tanan. Before I announce the winner for the Miss Eco Group 2025, I would like to thank Immaculada High School for inviting us here. It's a great activity. I'm very glad to see how creative the student. Na-shock ko. Karon pa lang, I would like to congratulate all of you for the great job you have done. Although we have the criteria to follow, so dili yung tanan masunod. Pero don't worry, it's not the end. No. Kung wala makalusot karon, maybe next year ma-improve na ninyo ang inyong craft. So, before I announce the winner, I would like to thank Ma'am Lisa Pangan, the school principal. Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, the teachers of Immaculada High School. Very, supportive. Ipadayon lang dyan naman inyong koan. I would like also to inform everybody that during our Exodus Social Health and Cultural Center in Bohol, one of my model is from Immaculada High School. So, maybe soon, kung nana po may pasosyo, makakuha ko nila. Diba? So, I would like first announce the special award. This special award doesn't carry the score of the top 5. Wala niya siya i-bearing maka-add sa total scoring sa pagpili sa top 5. So, the first minor award is the Face of the Day. And the Face of the Day is no other than candidate number 6. Candidate number 6. Congratulations, candidate number 6, Face of the Day 2025. And the second minor award is the Best in Runway, who kinsay maayo in terms of poise and bearing. So, the Best in Runway is no other than Step Forward, candidate number 2. the top 5. So, we're just following the criteria, but I would like to explain. Because in our criteria, it is written here that there is a visual impact of 30%. Ang ipasabot ani, it will include the poise and the bearing of the wearer, and of course, the projection. Yung sa niya pag-project, iyang sulod. Then we have the design concept. Kung saan ipasabot sa design concept? It means the idea that gives the design. Kung yun sa ang pag-create niya sa iyang design, and bagay ba niya, suitability of the wearer. So, ang durability and reusability o ang stage presence, usually pareha naming scoring. Kay stage presence pa lang nila, 15% na silang tanan. Kaya di lang din mo barong sa stage, no? Then, durability and reusability, pareha naman sila gigamit na material. So, magdaog lang yun sa visual impact o sa design concept. So, I would like to announce the top 5 first before the ranking. So, please come forward. Candidate number 5. Candidate number 11. Step forward, candidate number 10. Candidate number 2. And the last is no other than candidate number. Kinsa man. Candidate number 7. So I would like ma'am to announce the winner. So ako rin ay ko na mo-announce. So let's begin with the 4th runner-up. After the pictorial, I will announce the winner. So congratulations sa top 5. So katong mga wala matawag, don't worry, taas pangutayan dahil napay daghan nahitabo. So, let's begin with the 4th placer. The 4th placer goes to step forward, candidate number 5. Congratulations, candidate number 5. And now the 3rd runner-up goes to the winner of Face of the Day, candidate number 2. Best in runway runner. So the 3rd placer is candidate number 2. Also got the best in runway 2021. Congratulations, candidate number 2. And now the 2nd place goes to step forward, candidate number 11.
special na cinematic ang luwas. Awira ka mo, patubang.
Congratulations, candidate number 11. At now, duha na lang nabilin. Kinsa kay mo daw gani? Ang modern-inspired Filipiniana o ang modern gown? Asa ka nilang duha, no? I would like first to announce the first runner-up. And the first runner-up is no other than candidate number kinsaon? Ginhawag din. Kinsa man? Of course, ang nagsabi manok, candidate number 10. And the Miss candidate number 7. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
Once again, our Miss Second 2025, no other than Nikki Marilicones from Grade 12, Sec Rafael. Ladies, congratulations, and he pays our hard work. Our fourth runner-up is Miss Ella Saldea. Our third runner-up is Giselle Noble. Our second runner-up is Miss Samantha Israel. Our first runner-up is Miss Angel Happiness. And our Miss IHS Second Police, Nikki Marilicones. Ladies, photo opportunity. Okay, after sa top 5, mo insert tayo ang the rest niya mga ladies. Okay, sige ladies, kaya nasa likod, insert mo. Insert, picture. Okay. Picture, photo opportunity, 1. Okay. Thank you very much to our very own judges, Sergeant Ladoy Aquino and Mr. Bebe. And Mr. Bebe Tegupto. Thank you very much, and our very old school principal, Mrs. Lisa R. Pangan. And also thank you very much to our teachers who put hard work sa mga costumes no?
Thank you very much for your hard work. And baby, now take your exit. Congratulations once again. Shout out sa one viewer. One viewer alive.
Congratulations sa mga nagama. Congratulations sa nagama. Dagang salamat sa nagama. Dagang salamat sa nagama.
And now, you can do all your things in a picture with your candidates. And before we leave this venue, hindi pa magawa sa wala tayong time na. Again, hindi pa magawa sa mga venue, wala tayong time.
Apel ka sunod, right? Kwan, apel ka sunod. Apel ka sunod. Apel ka. So, thank you so much, viewers. Daghang salamat. Na si Jet Li. Jet Li, Lodi. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much sa mga ning tanaw sa among live coverage. So, congratulations to Angel de la Maria. First time niyang i-join ang imanani. Kaya salamat sa mga classmates nga nag-craft sayang attire. To God be the glory. Bye everyone.